Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new unboxing. I want to apologize about the sound, the echo that is still here. I'm trying to fix it with some foam stuff, but I bought a new microphone which I'm going to use as soon as it arrives. So hopefully this problem will go away soon. But let's go back to unboxing. This week I'm unboxing the new Marzia box. I already unboxed two of her boxes. And this one is the very important marzipan, which is V.I.M. It's $89 a month plus shipping, which gets me almost to $100, and it's way too much for me, so this is gonna be the last box. While I open it, I just wanna tell you, if you don't know, Marzia was a YouTuber. She's Italian like me. I really loved her videos. She's my inspiration for my video, and she's not on YouTube anymore, but I like to get this box anyway. And she gets a lot of different products and things, and she collaborates every month, every box with a new artist. As you can see, the box is small, but it's packed full with stuff. It's pretty heavy. So let's see. And I want to say that she has the same box but for less, so it's $29. It has less products, so you still could get that one. I want to find the little card that tells me all the products. Oh, here it is. Sorry. So let's put everything back. Okay. So this is just a card with the description of some products, which I'm gonna see later. So let's start by saying this is the fall box, and the theme is Autumn in Tokyo. In this box, she collaborated with Emma with artwork from Alexandra. I'll show you the picture, and here are some postcards, 4 of them. Really nice. I've never been to Japan, but these look very, very cute. Actually, I might put them on my fridge. And let's start with the first product, which are the ones that are described on this pamphlet. And the brand is Ampology. Okay, so it's Ampology Clarifying Cleanser. Remove dead skin cells, blah, 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 blah. So it's a cleanser. Nice, because it's one of the few things, I always use. This one is 10 ml, which is 0.34 ounces. Nice size, perfect for travel. Next, we have this Botanic 20 Hyper Care Essence Brightening Toner. So let's see, let's open this. It's a very cute packaging, I have to say. Oh my god, these are so cute. These are like little travel size of this Hypercare Essence. I really like that they're like this little packaging. There are 6 of them of 2 ml each. Very nice. I guess these all these brands are like Japanese or some kind of, because they all have like the translation on the box. I really like this. Next we have this big box, which looks so cute. It's from Pore Heals by Nature Village. It's the Pore Heal Centella 90 ampoules. That's such a hard word for me. Centella 65 green tea pack. Also, one product is for the speed acne healing. Thank God I don't have acne, but you never know. And the other one is, I think, a hydrating mask that reduces redness and promotes skin healing. Like that. It looks like it's a very big size. Nice, look at this. So one, oh my god, I can already smell it through the packaging. So nice. Very nice size. So I guess this is like something. Okay, I guess it's like a oil for acne. And this too has like the Japanese writing on it, so maybe they're all Japanese brands. Nice. And this other one is the mask, the green tea. As always, I don't really want to open it unless I'm gonna use it, but it has the little scoop thing that you can use so your hands don't get in it. This one is 130 grams, and this other one is 30 ml. I'm very happy with the size of this stuff. Put it on the side here. Next we have, okay, she always puts a fresh product in it, and this is the lip treatment sugar, which I already tried many times and I really like. And this is the, I would say it's the travel, like trial size little one, but it's actually perfect for my purse because I always bring lip treatment with me and lip balm. This is perfect, very useful for me. I'm liking this box so much. I'm always sad that I have to cancel it, but it's too expensive. Next we have masks, which I'm always happy about. We have 23-year-old, which is a mask I found in all her boxes. This one is the Cocktail Velvet Petite Mask. Very nice. So it's like a sheet mask that you put on, leave like 20 minutes on, and then you remove. Okay, sorry, I couldn't find it. Here it is. So it's Acne Pimple Master Patch and Clear Fit Master Patch from CosRx, I think it's brand. Again, I don't really have acne problem, but I could always give it to someone. So these are patches that you wear under makeup, disguising the look of active breakouts. Interesting. Next we have, again, something in Japanese. The brand is, I think it's a mask again. The brand is this Lululoon. It's a one-night rescue mask. So it's highly moisturizing and brightening. This one-night rescue mask, blah blah blah, perfect solution for everyone in need of a quick skin fix. Okay, this is nice. There is the translation in the back, so you keep it all night long, I guess. Yeah, it's made in Japan. So I always like stuff that you leave all night and then you just rinse off. Here we have a Paul & Joe stick highlighter. Again, with Japanese in the back. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like a little kitty. The highlighting. I don't want to use it because it's so cute. I mean, it's really adorable. Next we have this Algenist. That's the brand, and it's a live probiotic balancing mask. Oh my god, so many masks in this box, which is great, which is pretty much the stuff I love. Oh, I have to open it, I'm sorry, I know I said. Oh wow, it's a very greenish mask. What is it made of? Oh, so it's the organic acid and it has probiotic in it, which I love. So it leaves their skin more resistant to pollution and the appearance of lifestyle aging. Next, we have these Ramp Pure. Let me find the thing here. Okay, it's an apple cider vinegar scrub, like that, something for the hair. So I guess it's a plant-based and it's zero sulfates, parabens, and a lot of other stuff, which is really great, and it's made in USA. I like that too. I'll definitely try that. I like to have more hair product in my boxes because I like that. Next, Next we have this a lot of fresh product. Yes. So fresh, here we have the strawberry exfoliating face wash. Like that, I like the exfoliating too. I always like exfoliate, cleansing, and mask. That's my kind of products. Nice size, 20 ml, perfect for traveling, 0.6 ounces. Very nice. I mean, I know it's not the most important thing, but their packaging is very cute and I love that. I think the last stuff we have left, oh actually one more before the customized product. Here we have the tea that I always find in our box. I have to be honest, I tried two and I didn't really like them. I love tea, but the one that I got, there were like nuts in it and I don't know, I didn't really like the taste. But I'll try this one too, which is chocolate mint and it's caffeine free and it's a light roast. So I'll try that too because now it's getting colder and tea is always good. And now to end, here are the customized products. First we have a little beanie, yellow, very nice. Yellow is not really my color since I'm not very tanned, but this is very cute, and it has a little sushi, very nice, perfect for the winter. Next we have a candle. It smells like cinnamon, I would think, or spice. It says ginger spice candle, so there might be cinnamon in it too. And it has a little Japanese mountain. I should know the name of this mountain probably. I'm sorry if I'm ignorant, but I love candles. As you can see, I have many here in the back, so this is nice. Next, we have pins, which she always puts in her box, or most of the time. It's an enamel pin. I'm not sure what enamel is, but I can always Google it. It looks like a flower maybe. Super nice. Last but not least, you get bamboo cutlery. I mean, I'm gonna see it now, but I already know I love it. I love everything that's kitchen stuff, as you might know since I bake a lot. Oh my god, so nice. This is super cute. I wish that I knew what it says here on the little portable fabric thing. It has a spoon, a knife, a fork, and oh my god, I can't think of the name of this in English. The thing you use to eat sushi with. Sticks? Yeah, sticks. That was pretty easy. So these I really love. Thank you so much, Marzia, for choosing all this nice stuff. I put everything back. So that was the video. There were so many products. I'm actually sad that I canceled her subscription, but too expensive. And I want to try other things too, but you never know, maybe I'll go back. So thank you again for watching. As always, if you got to the end of the video, please subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of different videos, a lot of baking, and see you very soon with a new video. Bye!